Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to submit your ID on PrizePicks. Alright, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to the official website of PrizePicks. After signing into your account, you will be redirected to the main page. If you want to make a deposit, you will see a prompt indicating that you need to verify your ID. To get started, connect your phone by entering your phone number in the provided field. You can choose to receive an SMS or download the PrizePicks application from your Play Store or App Store. If you opt for the app, scan the code displayed on the website to connect your phone. Next, take a picture of your government ID using your mobile device. Once submitted, your ID will be verified. So that's basically how you can submit your ID on PrizePicks. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.